Plastic Model Builders. Hello, I am Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. I have here the Revell USS Arizona Memorial Battleship. This is in 1/426 scale. According to this, it is a skill level 4 for modelers. Has approximately 133 pieces. It is built in light gray. We're going to open this up and show you what's inside. Of course, we have our instructions, which are right here. Has 11 steps, 12 pages. A plastic bag loaded with parts. Not many decals, there's like 6 of those on here. And we have a flag sheet. Various flags that go on the model. I guess you bend them in half and glue them together. Contained inside of this bag, we have right here, this is 1/2 of the top deck of the aircraft. As well, these are the pylons in which the boat will sit on top when you're completed it. We have 2 halves of the hull right here, which I understand it doesn't go together too easily. I do see some flashing right off of the bat on this, but there are ways to get around that. Of course, like Revell does, this kit's from 1959, so it's fairly old. This is made in China. You're going to have to scratch that out. It's etched in there on the top side rather than the underside. More of the deck right here, 2 pieces for that. Lifeboats, various parts of the top of the ship. Miscellaneous parts that go on the deck. You have your cannons right here, guns, whatever you want to call them. Your turret pieces. And of course, you know, no model is without any piece that breaks off of the sprue, which would be this thing, whatever this is. I see raised panel lines for the decking, so you will have to contend with that. Little small pieces. The portholes on the side are not drilled out. If you would like those portholes to be drilled out, you will have to do that yourself. This is the Revell 1/426 USS Arizona Memorial. Do your research, look at pictures, find out what color certain things are supposed to go, because they may not actually be represented properly on the instructions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya.